2 is a smoothie. It's raw and it's red and it's roaring to go. It is a beet or a beetroot smoothie. Beetroot's great, very good for the skin, high in fibre, high in folate, has lots of magnesium and potassium, which is good for your body, for your circulation at the same time as well. So beetroot has a lot of goodness in it as well. So let's start with nice beetroot. Some green apples, green. Some fresh blueberries. Orange, cut up. Pineapple. Spinach again, maybe like Popeye and olive oil. And flax seeds. And water. So we have really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients. So what should we start with first? Well, it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, it's about what we can put in. So I've got some spinach, we need to pound that down with something else. So I'm thinking, why not add our beetroot first? So I've already peeled the beetroot and I'm going to slice it up. There you go, look at that. So I've been told not to use a wooden spoon. So what I try not to do is cut it up in pieces, like so. And done. Let's put another one in there and just slice it. Just got in. That's okay. Pineapple. So I'm going to throw some pineapple on top. Like so, pineapple's great. It really helps to break down the protein, which reduces the stored fat and actually burns the fat as well. I'm going to add some green apple, and surprisingly enough, pineapple is sweet, but it doesn't have a large amount of sugar. The same with blueberries, are low in sugar as well. And cut up a whole orange because I'll probably end up making this tomorrow morning. Okay, so, and then we're going to add some flax seeds. A tablespoon, and then we'll add our water. It's about 150 mils. I'm just going to... Perfect. And just to make sure that you do have the water on the level part on that side there as well. So let's close it all up and let's beat it and see if it turns red. I'll put 2 nice big sizes of the beetroot. I'll put the recipe description on the bottom part of this video. Use the knives because we are going to powers up. It's our beet smoothie. You can't beat the smoothie from the Weight Loss King. So be very careful because it's going to really good for weight loss and great for the skin. I also put a description of the nutritional value of each of the ingredients that we've used, being spinach, pineapple, apple, berries, orange, beetroot, flax seeds, and I'll give you a description of each one and why are they great for you. Your beet smoothie, which is different, but let's put to the taste test. Wow. Really nice. Really nice. It's subtle. It's not overpowering, but it is really, really nice. So give it a go. the raw beet smoothie. Recall that. That's done. Sun-dried tomato and tahini salad, followed by the beet smoothie. When it comes to losing weight for the very last time, you need to fall in love with the lifestyle that you have. That isn't boring, because food isn't the enemy. It's all about moderation, about portion size, and just relaxing and enjoying the food. You don't need to do any crazy diets. You just need to eat within reason, have fun, be relaxed. Don't go on any crazy, silly diets or any starvation diets. Food is emotional. It smells great. It tastes great. We eat it when we're happy. We eat it when we're sad. We eat it when it's for free. But we eat it because it is what it is and we are who we are. So the best way around it is just to make sure that we make better choices and better decisions when it comes to food. And being prepared and being planned really takes out the extra work that you have to do when it comes to preparing a meal. So if you've got the ingredients and your kitchen's organised and your food's there, and you can just make it. When you don't have it, you're not planned for it, prepared for it, that's when you make bad decisions and you ring up and order takeaway food, and then you will regret it later. So don't have regrets, be planned, be prepared, have your portion size, enjoy food, it's there, accept it, just make better choices. I'm Sylvester, the Weight Loss King. Losing weight for the very last time has never been easier at all. I've lost 80 kilos 18 years ago, and it took me 18 months to lose it, and I'm living proof that it's never too late to start losing your weight for the very last time. Thank you everybody for watching. I look forward to seeing you for our next episode of next Wednesday. It's a surpriser, but it's very Italian. Thank you, and talk to you soon. Food is emotional. It smells great. It tastes great. We eat it when we're happy. We eat it when we're sad. We eat it when it's for free.